here. So, thank you. So the cars that were picked for the best paint job. On down. Out here, please. No, we don't need you to put on a show. We just need you to park, honey.
All right.
Looks like they might be from Revelstoke. The next car is what Norm's blood alcohol level is right now, 0.08.
And Riley Bell is his co-pilot. And their sponsors are NBR Distributors and many more. And car number 911, just to let you know, that's Franco Bafaro from Revelstoke, and that's a 1967 Lincoln Continental.
I love those Irish names, Norm. The next car will be car number 87.
Car number 87 is driven by Kyle Hinton and his co-pilot Jordan Sanson.
Thanks for being here, guys. The next car is car number 69.
Car number 69, that's driven by Madman Mickey Robinson and Chris, his co-pilot.
Remember, you wonderful people, all these 5 cars, there's one more to go. This is going to be judging for the best paint job, and after that we'll do the funniest looking car. It's probably going to be a smart car. Okay, the final one. These people just got back from a tour of Europe, and they decided they were sick and tired of being superstars in the music industry. They're sponsored by Northgate Auto out of Vernon, car number 420. Come on down. You should hear these guys sing. It's just incredible.
Car number 420, that's driven by Mitch and his co-pilot Waylon. That's a 1980 Mercury station wagon.
They were playing a little bit of music there. Pretty fancy looking rig right here. These wonderful people, car number 69. If you think they have the best paint job, let's make some noise! Sorry, my mistake. I can't hear the crowd when there's a diesel locomotive running right in front of me. So, one more. Thanks, guys. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, if you think this is the best paint job, let's hear it. You guys are in first place right now. Okay, if you love the lime green of the wonderful car, could you guys hear that? Guys in the cars, please do not make noise. Thank you. One more time for this car. Okay, it's pretty close between these two. Okay, car number right there, this beautiful looking rig right there. Let me just check it out and get a number. It's so hard to run with these fishnet patios on. Car number .08. Norm, is he in first place right now?
It's real close, Dennis. Let's see what happens. Keep it going.
Okay, I have missed the guys from Revelstoke. So these wonderful guys from Revelstoke, Revelstoke Fire and Rescue, Last Call Liquor Store. They're pissing on me. Anyway, let's make some noise for the wonderful guys from Revelstoke.
That's Franco Bafaro and his co-pilot Phil Bafaro.
Okay, and last but certainly not least, those wonderful rock musicians from Europe, now living in Salmon Arm, car number 420. Well, Norm, I'm going to make a call, and you tell me if I'm correct.
All right, Dennis.
Or?
Yeah. No, we agree with your first choice, Dennis.
Okay, once in my life I was right. This vehicle is the winner!
911.
So collect your prize, guys. Hey.
So congratulations to car number 911 for winning the best paint job.
So the next set of vehicles we're going to be asking for are the ones in the funny car contest. So the first vehicle is car number 3. If you could come out to the center and line up evenly, please. Car number 3, and Norm will tell you who that is.
Car number 3, that's Gary Lanoux and his co-pilot Sean Bentley. So car number 3, that's Gary Lanoux and his co-pilot Sean Bentley, and their sponsors are Gary Automotive and Adrenaline Auto Recyclers. That's a 1975 Lincoln Continental.
You know what, Norm? I haven't seen a set of lips like that since I kissed a blue whale. Anyway, the next vehicle will be car number 58. Car number 58, where are you? I know it's 54, but I'm calling for 58. Car number...
It's a 1958 Chevy. And that car is driven by Martin Zarn and his co-pilot Leon Wold. And that's a 1958 classic Chevy Biscayne.
This is under the funny car contest, so the next one will be number 66. Come on down. Who's that, Yosemite Sam on top?
Car number 66, that's Ron Campbell and his co-pilot Tom Campbell. And their sponsors are Conversations Coffee House, Revelstoke Tire, and many more. That's a 1979 Buick LeSabre.
Okay, thank you, Norm. The next vehicle on the field, please, car number 333. Car number 333. Did you turn your alarm clock on? Car number 333 going once.
Oh, here we are.
They're going to run over me now, I just know it.
Well, that's Aaron Pearson and his co-pilot Deanna.
These are the ladies and gentlemen. Aaron and Desiree. The only 2 ladies this year. The judge forced them to do it. The final car in this contest is number 712. 712. Car number 712, where are you?
Car number 712.
Fire it up and bring it out, please.
Here we go, 712, driven by Todd Palmer. That's a 1975 Dodge.
Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to need your help on this, and drivers, please do not make any noise. We cannot hear the audience. Okay, let's just start right here, and this is for the funniest car, and I can assure you these guys spend lots of hours and many cases of beer putting these cars together, each and every one of them. So, for car number 712, if you think that's the funniest looking car, make some noise and thank you.
That's the bubblegum car.
Okay, car number 66. What do you think? Come on, let's hear it. Okay, let's move on down. They can't see very well there, guys. Car number 3, all decked out with the old logger on top. You're sitting in number 1 right now, buddy. And the beautiful old Chevy or Pontiac or what?
It's a Chevy, Dennis.
I know, but they may have changed some parts on it. Anyway, here's the classic Americana Canadiana. These guys did all their work on it. The header is a whole works, black and gold. If you think this is the funniest looking car, let's make some noise.
That's Martin Zion and his co-pilot Leon Wold.
Okay, Aaron, what do you want to say to these lovely people?
I hope they enjoy the day and let's just have fun and get up and go.
Good advice from Aaron. All those who think that this is a funnier looking car than that one, please make some noise. I'm sorry, could you do that one more time, please?
Dennis, we would like to mention that car 333 is the first female car to win 2 years running, so you go girls.
I don't think there's any doubt, Norm, whatsoever that their loudest round of applause was for these fine gentlemen right here. Do you agree?
Yes, the winner, car number 3. The People's Choice. So congratulations to Gary and Sean.
Okay, now, and you have no idea how much we appreciate them, and I will let you know who they are, but I want all the drivers, when I drop my hand, all the drivers fire up your engines, and let's make enough noise to wake up the dead. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I promised I'd let you know who those special people are that we want to give a very sincere thank you to. It's very easy for you to find out who they are. Next time you look in the mirror, you are one of the many people that we love to have here today, and thank you all very much for your sponsorship, your driving, your whatever you're doing, spectators. Without this wouldn't without you guys, this wouldn't happen. Let's get the derby rolling. Your children off the fence that can get hurt. We don't want anybody getting hurt. Nobody is allowed on the fences. Thank you. Number 58, driven by Martin Zion. Car number 07, we have no information on your car up here. They are sponsored by Kirk's Automotive. And they are the heavy hitters. Car number 440 is driven by Andrew Syme and his co-pilot, driven by Ron Campbell and his co-pilot Tom Campbell. Here comes car number 009. And that is driven by Chris and her co-pilot Pat. Car number 746 is driven by Colin Ritchie and his co-pilot Tyler Thiessen. Car number 3 is Gary Ledoux and his co-pilot Sean Bentley. Car number 175 is driven by Kurt Boyko and his co-pilot Sean Ramsey. Here's car number 13, driven by Chuck Lyons and his co-pilot Clay Adrian. Car number 69
and Mickey Robinson. All right, car number 58, we want to know who's driving. All right, looks like we're just closing up the gate. We're going to get ready for heat number 3. Are you all ready out there? Let's give these guys a big round. For car number 440. Please, gentlemen.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, car number 3. So we're going to disqualify number 3.
The next one comes 47. We're going to blue car, line Juliet. John. We're really looking for somebody. Look out! There's a good hit by car number 66.
Who made the last hit now? 747. 747 fourth. So far, it's not new.
Okay, car number 911 just put up his white flag. Let's hear it for that round.
Which one was the last?
It's 201.